Hello viewers, welcome to Future Gen Canada. Your RCIC Mia Somer with you. Today I am here in Nathan Phillips Square, which is in downtown Toronto. You can see in front of me old City Hall building, and on left side it's a new City Hall building. So today I'm going to talk about GCMS notes, also called ATPI notes. So let's just enjoy the scenery and talk about our subject as well. Today I'm going to talk about importance of GCMS notes. Some people call it ATIP, CAPE notes as well. GCM stands for Global Case Management System, and CAPE stands for Computer Assisted Immigration Processing System. And ATPI is actually Access to Information Act in Canada. In Canada, you may get information from any government body, and there is a process which you need to follow. But today, particularly, we are going to speak about GCMS because we deal with the immigration practice, and we have to talk about in terms of IRCC. So this you have to apply from IRCC website. There are a number of benefits of GCMS notes. In those, it helps you to know the status of your visa application. It also helps you prepare for your interview and gather documents. And especially, it helps you to understand your rejections, your refusals. Sometime in study permits, visit visa, you get refusals on and off. And you do not understand why you are keep getting those rejections. So in order to understand what are the actual reasons, you have to order those notes, and they take up to 4 to 6 weeks. The regular time is 4 weeks, but it could take a bit longer also due to COVID. And there are $5 which you have to pay from your credit card. And this document is a PDF document which is almost around 30 plus pages. And this is basically a correspondence of different visa officers on your file. And you can get key information from these notes. There are some technical things also involved while reading in these reports, but most probably you will get details at the last page where there will be a paragraph, and you will be easy to understand for you. Now here is the catch. Not everybody can apply from outside Canada. So the people who live in Canada, mainly Canadian citizens, Canadian permanent residents, and a person who is having a status in Canada or corporations, they can apply. So they can apply on your behalf also, like your family and friends. And if you need help, we as immigration consultants, immigration lawyers, we can apply on your behalf. We will charge a minor fee and we can apply for that. And we will help you out in reading those notes also, and in preparation of your refusal cases also. So these some of those points I explained about GCMS notes. Hopefully you got something new from these. And if you need any help, anytime you can reach us, admin@futuregen.ca. You can fill a form at www.futuregen.ca. And in my next video, I'm going to explain to you if is there any negative or positive impact if you order these notes on your file. And also we will learn how to apply step by step. So I hope you like the scenery also in downtown Toronto. So stay tuned and please like and subscribe my channel. So until my next video, bye.